Hey, Gary Baker here with Publisher Report. Everyone always jumps on the Q4 train, and there's good reason for that because there's tons of money to be made during those Q4 holidays, specifically when we're talking about creating books that people scoop up during the holidays. But what about Q1? Sure, everyone knows about New Year's Day, Super Bowl Sunday, Valentine's Day, and President's Day, but what about Pi Day? And specifically, Pi Day books. Pi Day book, Pi Day books for kids. Pi Day books for kids returns about 2,000 search results. So we'll scroll down here and then you'll see here Happy Pi Day, Cat in the Hat Learning Library, as well as Circumference and the Dragon of Pi. Take a look at these BSRs in the range of 10,000 to 15,000. So if we pop over to the TCK Publishing BSR sales calculator, go ahead and put in a rank of 10,000 for a physical book. Go ahead and calculate the sales. You can see that's about 25 sales per day or 374 sales per month. Change that to 15,000, it goes down a bit, but you can still see that you have the potential here to sell quite a few books, especially as you're focused on selling these books for this specific holiday, which is Pi Day, which is March 14th inside of Q1. Most likely this book isn't going to sell every day of the year, but the strategy here for Q1, just like in Q4, is to get as many sales as you can when the holiday is here. And also that book is going to be evergreen and going to continue to make you sales each and every year. The next Q1 holiday is a little more popular and well known, but go ahead and take a look at St. Patrick's Day book. The results here are about 1,000 results for St. Patrick's Day book. Here you can see some BSR ranks that are very low, 414, 10, 219, and they continue on here, 144, 434. So if we were to take that highest number, 434, pop it into the BSR sales calculator, you can see the number of sales right there per day, about 259 sales per day. So the majority of these St. Patrick's Day books are story books. But here's where you can take a different angle and you can actually create activity books for this holiday or even for Pi Day. For example, a word search book that you can see here is a couple of pages that I created with a St. Patrick's Day theme. And of course, there are the solutions. Here's that same angle for an activity book, but instead of a word search, it's a number search. Of course, Pi puzzle number 1. If you were to look at the solutions, you can see that it is Pi 314159, a unique spin on an old classic, and it allows you to create something that's very unique that you could sell again during Q1 when this holiday occurs, and books like this are going to be popular and be selling. And the tool you can use to create these are inside of Puzzle Publishers. There's a link in the description to check this membership out. You can see here Word Search Crazy has the ability to also create numeric style puzzles. And I simply used that numeric style puzzle to generate the puzzle as well as the solution, and then just download that as a PNG. Then when that PNG puzzle downloads, you simply just go back into Canva where I created this puzzle book, and you just upload that file, and then you use it and create a PDF. Set the file type to PDF print, download the pages, open up that PDF, and there you have your book interior ready to upload into Amazon KDP and easily cash in on 2 holidays in Q1, Pi Day and St. Patrick's Day, that the numbers as far as the bestseller ranks show inside of Amazon searches that this is a very hot selling book during Q1, and you can make this part of your complete strategy to create books that are evergreen, that will sell again and again every quarter, to include these holidays that are typically overlooked inside of Q1. And building these activity books is really pretty simple. There's a video right here on the screen right now. Click that video, watch it, and see exactly how you could start building your own activity books that you could easily sell during Q1. Watch that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.